Good morning to one and all. My name is Suresh. So today we are discussing about the one new topic, different types of the rocks. Different types of the rocks. Different types of rocks. Different types of rocks. Different types of the rocks. Generally, the rocks are divided into three categories. First one, igneous rocks. Second one, sedimentary rocks. Third one, metamorphic rock. Third one, metamorphic rocks. Okay now. So first of all, today we are discussing about the only igneous rocks. Igneous rocks. The mountain rocks inside the. Okay now. First of all, the word igneous came from the Latin word. Okay now. The word igneous came from the word igneous. Igneous comes from Latin word. Which word? Latin word. Okay now. What is the meaning of igneous? What is the meaning of igneous? Igneous means fire. What is the meaning of igneous? Means fire. What is the meaning of igneous? Igneous means fire. Okay now. The word igneous came from the Latin word. What is the meaning of igneous? Igneous means fire. Igneous means fire. Next, what is the definition of the magma? What is the definition of the magma? Mountain rock inside the volcano. Mountain rock inside the volcano is called for. What is the definition of the magma? The mountain rocks. Molten means it is a liquid. It is the liquid. The molten rocks inside the volcano. Inside the volcano. Inside the volcano is known as the magma. What is the definition of the magma? The molten rock. Molten rock means it is a which type? Liquid type. Okay now. The molten rocks inside the volcano is known as the magma. Next, what is the definition of the lava? What is the definition of the lava? When a volcano erupts, when the volcano erupts. Okay now, when the volcano erupts, the magma rises. The magma that rises to the surface on the surfaces and flow out. When the volcano erupts, that the magma rises and flows on the surfaces of the earth. This is known as the lava. What is the definition of the lava? When the volcano erupts means burst and came from the outside. That magma rises and flows on the surface of the earth. These are the lava. These are the lava. Okay now. Next, what is the definition of the igneous rocks? What is the definition of the igneous rocks? Okay now. So when the magma or lava is cool, when the magma magma or lava or cools and it is hardened to cools and it's hardened to form the it hardens to form the igneous rocks okay now. So mainly in the chapter we are discussing about the what is different types of the rocks. They are divided into three categories. First one igneous rocks, sedimentary rock, metamorphic rocks. Okay now. So first of all we are discussing about igneous rock. This word came from the Latin word. This word came from the Latin word. And what is the meaning of igneous? Igneous means to fire. Next, what is the definition of the magma? The molten rock inside the volcano. The molten rock inside the volcano is known as the magma. Next, lava. When the volcano erupts, that magma and lava when the volcano erupts, that magma rises, flows on the surface of the earth. It is called for the lava. Now, what is the definition of igneous rocks? When the magma or lava are cools and it's hardened to form of the igneous rocks. Next, examples of the igneous rocks: granite, basalt and pumice. Okay now, examples of the igneous rocks: granite, basalt and pumice. These are the types of the rocks. Okay now, today we are only discussing about learning about the one type of rock. That name is the igneous rocks. Okay now, examples of igneous rocks: granite, basalt and pumice. How many types of rocks? There are three types: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. Okay now, what is the definition of the igneous rock? The igneous rocks came from the word is a Latin word that means fire. Okay now, next, what is the definition of magma? The molten rock inside the volcano is known as the magma. What is the definition of the lava? When the volcano erupts, that magma rises, flows on the surface of the earth is known as the lava. Next, igneous rocks. When the definition of igneous rocks: when the magma or lava or cools and it's hardened to form the igneous rocks. Okay now, the examples of igneous rocks: granite, basalt and pumice. Okay, understanding, sir? Thank you.